Alden is short update and IG story ni Alden. Ang group picture ng Team Love Circle at pinatungalan si Alden sa si Chris. Ito sa post ng Ken Creative Designs. Sabi salamat palagi Nino. Ang bumisita nga ang inaanak ni Alden. Ang ganda pa nga ng bike sa likod Saka ito IG story ni Alden. Yung kinongrats niya si Nino Dayon. Yung nakatatlong medals. Gold, silver, bronze. Grabe yun. Yan pula sa AR Foundation. Saka ito, event ni Alden sa June 6 sa SM City Marikina. Yan 15 km. Yung magbabike nga si Alden. Ay yung ruta. Nasa stream. Ito babati ni Alden.
Rose Mateo, ganda siya. Yan ka pala. Hi, Zine. I'm Alden. And, my running ritual before running is probably warm up, listen to pumped up music, and surprisingly, whenever I run, I listen to worship songs. So that's my go-to. Today, favorite song to run to, I think How Great Is Our God. Yeah, and that's the song that usually yung default ko whenever I listen to music. I think I was able to, regardless of the preparation, but very happy and I'm glad that I was able to be part of the first ever Sparkle run. So congratulations to Sparkle. Be heard and be seen.
Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for my updates. This is with short reaction vlogs. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.